Hello, I am John Najarian, and RebelCon 2022 is almost here. We do have a virtual pass. The virtual pass gives you full access to everything, all the streams, the live trading sessions, all of our fabulous keynote speakers. So to learn more about what's going on at RebelCon 2022, whether you're in person or virtual, check out marketrebellion.com/Dallas. Hello, folks. I am John Najarian for Market Rebellion, and this is 3 at 3. Every day at about 3 p.m. Eastern Time, we bring you unusual option activity. And today we're going to be bringing you activity on the call and put side and showing you how some of the past ones have played out as well. So if you're enjoying the broadcasts, please give us a heart or a like, a thumbs up, depending what social media you're watching on, and tell a friend about it, please. Thank you. All right, let's get started with Capital One. This is one that we've talked about in the last 2 weeks because of that big put buy that you see there. Capital One bearish puts. Somebody bought almost 10,000 of those puts when the stock was trading not at 105, but substantially higher. Stock was trading at $112 a share. So stock has fallen by $10 or nearly 10%. Capital One, as you see on the screen there, was trading 102.92. So pretty big drop out of Capital One. And since we had puts that were struck closer to that 112 level, not the 105 level, we have been selling downside calls against it. Because as long as we do that 1-to-1, we assume no additional risk and we lock in profits from the options that have appreciated in value as that stock goes lower, because of course, puts increase in value when stocks drop. So this is one example for you. I talked a little bit about yesterday, the First Solar, and we took some big fat profits in that yesterday. We just did the Rebels Edge show today, again, because we do it Mondays, Tuesdays, Thursdays at 1 p.m. Eastern Time. And soon on big streaming network too, other than just the socials. But of course, you can go over to YouTube and type in Market Rebellion to the search bar on YouTube. Click in that upper left-hand corner to subscribe. Costs you nothing. It's completely free. Zero it costs you. And you can also click that little bell and it'll give you a notification every time a new video is up. So we encourage you to check it out. How about this one? Speaking of checking it out, talked about the retail yesterday, XRT, the retail, and we said somebody's buying the double puts, double nickel, 55 puts. Well, stock was 63.60. It's fallen by about $1. So we haven't doubled our money yet, but we are making money already on this trade because they basically showed us the way, said people are buying puts. We scrambled in there, bought puts right along with them. And now we're profiting from it and being a little patient, thinking that maybe XRT goes below 60 and hopefully we get to pound out some much lower puts against the puts that we own. Well, RebelCon 2022 is in Vegas. Apparently there are still some seats available for this at the Four Seasons Resort. If you bring a significant other, they can enjoy the pool and spa while you're in there with us, learning some great trading applications, hearing some fabulous lectures from folks that have been doing this a long time. I'd encourage you to try to grab one of those few remaining seats. Go to marketrebellion.com/Dallas, or as you see at the bottom of the screen, you can type in rebelcon.marketrebellion.com to learn more. SEC Limited, SE. It's $59 stock. They're buying the 50 puts in January. Look at how much they paid for them, $6. So when somebody buys 300,000 share equivalent, because that's what 3,000 options is, and they're buying something that is 12, 15% out of the money, that gets my interest. So yes, I am riding right along with them in C Limited, doing that 1-to-1, but I don't need to sell the one against it as aggressively because a January option is not going to be a fast decaying option. 1-800-Flowers, FLWS, more bearish puts. 5,200 of the October 7 puts change hands with the stock at 788. So does this one see a swoon because it's, even though not in the S&P 500 retail, the XRT, nonetheless, are people cutting back? Are they going to have a rougher quarter than expected? Well, 1-800-Flowers, somebody's buying a lot of puts, 500,000 share equivalent at that 7 strike. You know, that gets my attention and my bets. I want to follow that trade. You can also get a virtual RebelCon pass by going to marketrebellion.com/Dallas. The virtual tickets have been on sale and will continue to be on sale right up till the week of the event. So if you'd like to join us, but you can't get away to Dallas, by all means, the virtual ticket is the next best thing. And you'll get a forever copy of the RebelCon event because all of these are recorded, and you will get a copy of it because you signed up for the virtual RebelCon. So if you don't want to spend the money on travel and hotel, but you'd like to be part of this, September 21st through 24th, by all means, marketrebellion.com/Dallas. Lastly, EFA. This one, huge put buying, 61,000. Talked about it on the Rebel Edge with Pete today. 61,000 puts is 6.1 million share equivalent. So this is the ETF for the MSCI outside of the United States and Canada. So in other words, major developed markets around the world outside of the US and Canada. It was trading at $60.56. They're betting it breaks 60 and goes significantly lower, or at least that's what they expressed by buying 6.1 million short share equivalent. Wow. And they paid $1.73 or $173 a piece, because every option's for 100 shares times 61,000 options. That's a big trade, my friends. Bang. You can bet that we're going to be on that one. All right. That's going to do it for us today. Thank you for joining me. I hope you had a great afternoon and that you enjoyed 3 at 3. I'll be back tomorrow for the final 3 at 3 of the week, and I will see you then. Adios.